Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction. Friends, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. This is our YouTube channel and we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So friends and viewers, this channel is uniquely and especially designed for fashion addict all over the world. And friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today I'm gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of embroidered jeans pants designs for lovely women. My dear friends, these embroidery jeans designs are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. So friends, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, whether you want to wear one for a night out on the town, during a shopping spree with friends, or on a hot date, these stunning designs are a one-size-fits-all solution for your fashion needs. And in the meantime, you own one of these stunning and gorgeous designs and you will love wearing it. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. Friends, made your memories more special with one of our dress designs. It will add some more beauty and gorgeous look to your personality. Friends, I will wait for your kind comments, and if you are having any problem with type of outfit, let me know. I will definitely try to help you. Thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all.